easy fix.
Alrighty.
Hey guys, Capo Jabba here. So cleaning the throttle body didn't solve the rough idling, so now I'm gonna clean the air control valve. This guy right here. Or is it this guy? No, this one. This guy right here. The IAC. I got a 9-piece long arm T20 screw to get these 2 bolts out. In order to get the bolt on the bottom of the air valve, I need to take this off first. So I'm going to use a flathead screwdriver to take this off and remove this tube to get out of the way. Undo this screw. Kind of like to wiggle it out, I believe. Yeah, it just pops right off. You may have to wiggle it or pull it straight up a little hard, but it comes off after that. Alright, this first bolt is no problem. Like I said, it's a T20 money maker. Is of course the second bolt, which is under it, which I honestly don't know how I'm gonna get, but I'm gonna try. Dang it. It's pretty much impossible to get that second bolt out of the IAC valve, so we're gonna take out the whole valve body. And to do that, we're gonna remove these 4 bolts, and I think I take this guy off. Yep, so this one you just pull off. I had to use a screwdriver to get that one off. This one you push down and it slides off, so you push it out and then pull it off. I'm going to take this guy off, and hopefully that's it. Using a 3/8 drive socket with 6-inch extension and 10mm socket on the bottom. So 10mm socket, 6-inch extension, 3/8 inch drive to get out these 4 bolts. Alright, there's 1, 3 more to go. Alright, all 4 bolts gone. Let's see. We got it. Alright, yeah, just remove those 4 bolts and then we can get this. It'll save a lot more time to get that T20 right there. Look inside. What do we got? That looks kind of clean. I'm going to reach in there and clean what I can with some spray. Now we're in business. Feels good taking this bolt out. Yeah, you just have to take off the whole throttle body to get this bolt underneath. Don't even try. Unless you have some fancy T20 wrench that I am unaware of. Maybe one of those triangle end ones would have worked, but I mean, it's just removing 4 bolts and a couple of the connectors to get this thing off. It was a lot easier than I thought. Alright, let's pull it out. That doesn't look so bad. Spray some cleaner on it and clean it off. And you just wipe off all that goo. I'm debating whether just getting another one. It's only like $30 or something. I'm already spraying it over the valve body. May as well clean both. So a good idea to clean the hole where the valve goes. So spray some in there and clean that out. Oh man, that's gotta go. Careful those holes in it. But yeah, there's a lot of gunk in there. Goes without saying to clean off this valve too. Just clean the whole thing out. Alright, you get it. You can also use a Q-tip or toothbrush to get way deep in there. Alright, once everything's As clean as it's gonna be, let's put it back in and try it out. I'll spray a little in here. Not a lot. What is that? Alright, so I put the intake air control valve back on, then I put the valve body back on with these 4 screws. Now I'm going to reattach this guy. Just press it on, and then you reattach all the electricals that we unplugged. There's one, there's this, and then there's the air control valve line. I don't want to break it. And there's this one that we slide on the end. We put this tubing back on, and I'm going to tighten this screw and then try it out. Moment of truth. Starts up good. Alright, now the problem is when I put it in drive, that's when it starts revving like crazy. So, car is in drive. Very good sign. Let's test drive a little bit. Alright, we are driving okay. Let's see what happens at the stop.